In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you created an invoice by mistake, duplicated one, or simply no longer need it, knowing how to permanently remove it from your records is really important for keeping your books clean and accurate. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting an invoice is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't simply restore it like you would from a recycle bin. So as you follow along, make sure you're deleting the correct invoice and that you truly don't need it for your records, reporting, or future reference. If you're unsure, you might want to void it instead, but in this video, we'll focus on deleting. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the left-hand navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your customer-related transactions, including estimates, invoices, and payments. Once you're in the Sales area, select Invoices. This opens a list of all the invoices you've created. You'll usually see columns such as customer name, invoice number, due date, status, and amount. You can use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly find the specific invoice you want to remove, especially if you have a long list. After you've located the invoice you want to delete, click directly on that invoice to open it. This takes you to the detailed invoice page, where you can see all the information: the customer, line items, amounts, taxes, and any notes. On this invoice page, look for an option labeled Manage, or sometimes More, usually found at the bottom of the screen or along the toolbar, depending on your layout. Click on Manage or More to open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take on this invoice. From that drop-down menu, choose Delete. When you click Delete, QuickBooks will not immediately remove the invoice. Instead, it will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Carefully read the confirmation message, and if you're sure you want to permanently remove this invoice from your books, click to confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the invoice will be deleted and will no longer appear in your invoice list or standard reports. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully deleted an invoice in QuickBooks Online, helping keep your records accurate and free of errors.